In my opinion, the Americans are using Wuhan as a political tool basically by creating a media hype, by creating in social media that the origin came from Wuhan. It is a political agenda because the West knows that they cannot defeat China. So now they are using different tactics by political pressurization, by trying to embarrass China in front of the world, by creating a environment where the people should realize that it is China. The world should know if the investigation is to take place, then the investigation must start from United States of America in the beginning and then go to Spain and other countries where there were cases reported and it is on record. And I will not accept this argument of the West that this initiated from China, because China is the one who also controlled it for the first time when the world was still suffering from pandemic.